Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to go over 10 really cool and unusual A minor open chords. Now, an A minor open chord is made up of A, C, and E, and that's what all these chords are made up of. And this should be fun. You can use these in your rhythm guitar playing, in your lead guitar playing, so wherever they fit the best. So, again, let's go over these A minor rare open guitar chords. And let's start off with chord number one. Now, chord number one, I'm going to come over here to the 8th, ninth, and 10th fret. And I'm going to play that open E on the 6th string. Then I'm going to play that open A on the 5th string. And then with my middle finger on the 3rd string, 9th fret, I'm going to play that E note. And when I play that E note, it's going to touch that 4th string to mute it. And then I'm going to place my ring finger on the 10th fret of the 2nd string and play that A note. Then I'll place my index finger on the 1st string, 8th fret, and play that C note. And when I play them all together, it sounds like this. Let's go to chord number two. Now, chord number two, I'm going to be playing on the 12th, 13th, and 14th frets. I'm going to play that open E string, that 6th string. Then I'm going to play that 5th string open to play that A. I'm going to go down to the 3rd string and place my ring finger on the 14th fret to play that A. And I'm going to gently kind of touch that 4th string to mute it. I'm going to place my middle finger on the 2nd string, 13th fret to play that C. And then I'm going to place my index finger on the 1st string, 12th fret to play that E. And when I play them all together, it sounds and looks like this. Let's go to chord number three. Chord number three, I'm going to be on the 9th and 10th frets. I'm going to come here on the 6th string and play that open E. I'm going to go to the 5th string and play that open A. I'm going to place my middle finger on the 4th string, 10th fret, and play that C. I'm going to place my index finger on the 3rd string, 9th fret, and play that E. I'm going to place my ring finger on the 2nd string, 10th fret, and play that A. And then I'm going to play that open E on the 1st string. And when I play them all together, it sounds and looks like this. Let's go to chord number four. Chord number four, I'm going to play in the 5th and 7th fret. So again, I'm going to play that open E string on the 6th string. I'm going to play that open A string on the 5th string. I'm going to place my ring finger on the 7th fret of the 4th string and play that A. I'm going to place my index finger in the 3rd string, 5th fret to play that C. And when I do that, I'm going to slightly use that index finger to touch the 2nd string to mute it. I'm going to play that 1st string open to play that open E. And then it looks and sounds like this. All right, let's go to chord number 5. In chord number 5, I'm going to be playing on the 13th and 14th frets. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play that open E string, or that 6th string. You know, just play that open. Then I'm going to play that 5th string open also for that open A. And then I'm going to place my middle finger on the 14th fret of the 3rd string to play that A. And when I do that, I'm going to slightly touch the 4th string, or that D string, to mute it. I'm going to place my index finger on the 2nd string, 13th fret, to play that C. And then I'm also going to play that open E on the 1st string. And when you put them all together, it sounds and looks like this. Now let's go to chord number 6. Chord number 6, we're going to be playing on the 1st and 2nd frets. I'm going to play that open E string, that 6th string. So play that open, and then I'm going to go to the 5th string and play that open A. And then I'm going to place my middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string to play that E. And when I do it, I'm going to slightly touch the 3rd string to mute it. I'm going to place my index finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string to play that C. And then I'm going to play that open E on the 1st string. And when you put them all together, it sounds and looks like this. Now let's go to chord number 7. Chord number 7, we're going to be playing up on the 5th fret. I'm going to play that open E, or that 6th string. I'll play that open. I'm going to play that open A, or the 5th string. Play that open. Then I'm going to take my index finger. I'm going to bar it over strings 1, 2, and 3 on the 5th fret. And I'm going to slightly touch that 4th string to mute it. See? Then I go ahead and play that C on the 3rd string, 5th fret. Then I'll play that E on the 2nd string, 5th fret. And then I'll play that A on the 1st string, 5th fret. And when you put it all together, it sounds and looks like this. All right, chord number 8. I'm going to play that open A on the 5th string. I'm going to place my ring finger on the 4th string, 10th fret, to play that C. I'm going to place my middle finger on the 3rd string, 9th fret, to play that E. And I'm going to slightly touch that 2nd string to mute it. Then I'm going to place my index finger on the 1st string, 8th fret, to play that C. And when you put it all together, it sounds and looks like this. Okay, now chord number 9. Chord number 9, we'll be playing on the 2nd and 5th fret. We're going to play that open A on the 5th string. Then we'll place our index finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, to play that E. Then we'll place our little finger on the 5th fret of the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd strings. And on the 3rd string, we'll play that C. On that 2nd string, 5th fret, we'll play that E. And then on the 1st string, 5th fret, we'll play that A. And when you put it all together, it looks like this. All right, finally the chord number 10. Chord number 10, I'm going to come up here on the 5th fret. I'm going to place my thumb on the 5th fret of the 6th string and play that A. And then I'm going to play that open A in the 5th string. And then I'm going to place my index finger on the 3rd string, 5th fret to play that C, and slightly touch the 4th string to mute it. Then I'm going to place my middle finger on the 2nd string, 5th fret to play that E. And then I'm going to reach over with my little finger on the 1st string, 8th fret to play that C. And when you play them all together, it sounds and looks like this. All right, again, Mr. G, hope you enjoy those really cool A minor chords and keep on jamming.